Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Biological Domain. In last video, we have discussed questions of Bihar State TGT Science which has been asked on 14 September 2020. I have made video on part 1 and part 2 which covers question from 51 to 92. In this video, we will discuss question from 93. So first question is, the trophic level of lion in forest ecosystem is. ट्रॉफिक लेवल आप लोगों को पता है जो एक पिरामिड के जैसा दिखता है इकोसिस्टम में, लाइक दैट. सो फर्स्ट लेवल जो होता है वो ग्रीन प्लांट्स का होता है, सेकेंड हर्बीवोर्स एनिमल्स, थर्ड कार्निवोर्स, फोर्थ सेकेंडरी कार्निवोर्स एंड upper part is for predator. First part means who are producer, that is green plant. Second, herbivores. Carnivores are of various types, that first carnivores are fish, frog, and secondary carnivores are snake, fox, and predators are which are in higher position, that is vulture, eagles, lion and tigers. So here is the question is, the trophic level of lion are present in which trophic level of forest ecosystem, that is T4. Highest is here is T4. Understood? So next question is, two factors of ecosystem are. Ecosystem are made of two factors, that is what? Biotic and abiotic. Biotic covers living and abiotic covers non-living parts. Ecosystem is made up of two parts, that is biotic and abiotic. So next question 95. Sundarban National Garden is located in. Sundarban National Garden is located in where? In Rajasthan, MP, West Bengal or UP. So it is in West Bengal. Next 96. Chipko movement was held in. Chipko movement where held? So it held in Uttarakhand. Chipko movement is the movement to prevent cutting of tree. Sundar Bahuguna name covers in this movement. So next question 97, that is Earth Summit was held in year. Earth Summit held in which year? That is in 1992. Next 98, Minamata disease is caused by. Minamata disease is caused by which elements, that is chromium, cadmium, methyl mercury or radioactive elements. So what the answer is? Answer is methyl mercury. Next 99, ozone layer is found in which sphere? Stratosphere, lithosphere, troposphere or hemosphere? So answer is stratosphere. Ozone layer is found in stratosphere. Next 100, the female reproductive part of a flower is. We know that flower is a reproductive organ of plants. So there are two parts, that is female and male. So female reproductive parts here asked. So female reproductive part of flower is gynoecium and male reproductive parts are androecium. And stamen is a part of androecium and pollen sac are produced in anther, which is also part of male reproductive system of flower. So next question 101, the pollination in camel takes place by. Pollination in camel takes place by birds. Okay, 101 cover. So next is 102. Is it visible? If the diploid number of a flowering plant is 36, what would chromosome number in its endosperm? If diploid number of flowering plant is 36, then what would be its endosperm chromosome number? So C, that is, we know that endosperm of flowering plant is a triploid structure, means 3n. Diploid is 2n, haploid is n. We denote from this symbol. So here given, what is given? Diploid number of flowering plant 36. So 2n is equal to 36. So we can calculate from here that n is equal to 80. So we also know that endosperm of flowering plant or angiosperm is triploid. So n we have found n. So we can find 3n. So 3n is equal to 18 into 3. So it is 54. So answer would be 54. From this type of question, you have to know their ploidy levels. So you will calculate it easily. If you know diploid number, then you can calculate haploid, and you can, if you know that what the organism is triploid, tetraploid, you can calculate it very easily. So let's move to another question, that is 103. Fusion of two motile gametes. Fusion of two motile gametes which are dissimilar in size is termed as. So we have to know oogamy, isogamy, anisogamy and zoogamy first of all. So here oogamy is fusion of large E-motile female gamete with a small male motile gamete. Oogamy is the formation of egg and the fusion of male and female gametes. So here male gametes are small and female gametes are large, and female gametes are immotile while male gametes are motile. You have to know. Male are motile and female are immotile and large. So oogamy, and it happens in animals. Isogamy. Iso means same. So sexual reproduction where they all are part of sexual reproduction. So isogamy is also part of sexual reproduction where male and female gametes have similar morphology. Means male and female gamete both have similar morphology. And another one is it is found in protozoan. And anisogamy is fusion of gametes. Fusion of gametes in dissimilar size. So here we can find that sperm and ova, both sides are dissimilar and there happen fusion. So it is a example of this anisogamy is all vertebrates. Zoogamy is sexual reproduction in animals. So what the question is? Fusion of two motile gametes which are dissimilar in size is termed as anisogamy. Isogamy is already excluded because iso means same. So here is dissimilar. So anisogamy is the answer. Next question 104. Hold fast stripe and frond constitute the plant body in case of. Here is question asked from the structure of plants. So here is the plant, that is Rhodophyceae, Chlorophyceae, Phaeophyceae and all the above. So we have to know that what the plants are. So Rhodophyceae is known as red algae, Chlorophyceae is known as, I can write here, red algae. This is green algae, and Phaeophyceae are brown algae. We know algae are of three types. So here the structure, question asked from structure. So we have to know that structure of, so hold fast stripe and frond constitute the plant body in case of Phaeophyceae in brown algae. Here the structure, it look like that. Here is a frond, stripe, hold fast. It is a brown algae. Brown algae or Phaeophyceae. So next question 105. Which of the following plants is used to extract the blue dye? Which plants is used to extract the blue dye? Trifolium, Indigofera, Lupine and Cassia. So answer is Indigofera. We can extract blue dye from Indigofera. Next question 106. Endosperm, a product of double fertilization in angiosperm, is absent in seeds of. Endosperm, which is found in triploidy level, and it is a product of double fertilization in angiosperm. So the question asked from here is 3, that what is the ploidy level of endosperm, how it produced from double fertilization, where it is found in angiosperm. So we have to know that which is angiosperm, which is not angiosperm. So coconut, orchid, maize or castor. So first we have to know that what is double fertilization. Double fertilization means, we know that fertilization, that sperm and ova and male and female gamete combine to form a zygote, we know. But here is double fertilization, means fertilization after fertilization. So one sperm fertilized, here will two sperm makes the contribution, that one sperm fertilizes the egg to form 2n zygote and another sperm fertilizes the central cell to form the 3n endosperm. So characteristics of double fertilization is endosperm. So where it is not found, in which it is not found. So answer is orchids. Double fertilization is found in coconut, maize, castor, but it is not found in orchid seeds. Next question 107. Venation is a term. Venation is a term used to describe the pattern of arrangement of floral organ, flower in inflorescence, veins and veinlets in a lamina, or all of the above. So what would be answer? So venation, where vein are described, vein is found in, so veins and veinlets in lamina. Answer would be that. 108. Cells of this tissue are living and so angular wall thickening. They also provide mechanical support. This tissue is. The question asked from the plant tissue. We know plant tissue is divided into two types, that is simple tissue and complex tissue. So xylem is part of complex. Sclerenchyma, collenchyma and parenchyma are part of simple tissue and epidermis are also complex tissue. So yeah, here question asked from the simple tissue. So either the option would be B or C. So what would be the answer? The answer would be collenchyma, because collenchyma is a living part of the simple tissue which support the plant. 108 is done. Next question is 109. That is, a piece of wood having no vessels must belong to. So a piece of wood having no vessel means no trachea must belong to teak, mango, pine or palm. So answer would be pine. There is no trachea. Okay. Next question 110. When we peel the skin of a potato tuber, we remove periderm, epidermis, cuticle or sapwood. So we remove its periderm. Next 111. Which of the following salts does not contain water of crystallization? So the answer would be baking soda. The question is, it is from the chemistry. So let's deal whatever have written. So 112. Which one of the following can be used as an acid base indicator by a visually impaired student? So it would be vanilla essence, because it can be extinguished by nose, and the visually impaired student can distinguish it very carefully, because litmus paper is for litmus paper it should be visibility, for turmeric it should be visibility, petunia leaves for visibility, but for vanilla essence we can smell and we can find what is it. So next question 113. Which of the following is used for dissolution of gold? So HCl, H2SO4, HNO3 or aqua regia. That would be aqua regia. So we have discussed today the questions from where we have discussed. We have discussed from 93 to 130. We have discussed Bihar State Examination TGT Science, especially biology question, which has been asked on 14th September 2020 morning shift. Hope you like this video. If you like this video and you want this type of video more and more, and so please like and share, and if you are new in this channel, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.